Thank you for taking part in this bike simulator for the Share the Road program. The Share the Road program allows vulnerable road users like people on bikes and professional heavy vehicle drivers to better understand each other. We are going to spend the next 10 minutes exploring 3 ideas and behaviours that allow these people to share the road and get home safely. These will be ideas and behaviours that you have control over and can do the next time you're in a vehicle and seeing a person riding. A similar program is run to educate riders on how to avoid roads with heavy vehicles, or, if they need to use those roads, how to keep control of their bikes, be seen, and pick safer routes around them. Sometimes you will need to follow bikes in your vehicle, and the way you follow affects the cyclist's behaviour. Cyclists can feel like their personal space is being invaded when drivers get too close on the road, and the only way they can respond is to fight. This is not future helpful. The second version is about the same as the 4-second following distance that the New Zealand Road Code recommends for heavy vehicles following lighter ones. It increases the chance of people on bikes being able to slow down and turn off the road. As a professional driver, you have seen many people on bikes riding out from a curb, and that some of you may have thought, idiots! They're making it so hard for me to drive and pass. There are some good reasons for people on bikes to do this. The second version is about 1 metre from the road edge, and riders are encouraged to use this position, which makes them predictable and therefore easier to pass. It also allows them to travel a little faster, so they spend less time on the road and means that they can be seen by drivers earlier, which gives them more time to plan a safe pass. People on bikes are also encouraged to be about 1 metre from parked cars to avoid dooring. Bikes and motor vehicles can travel at quite different speeds, so you need to overtake them when it's safe. The second version gives the rider 1.5 metres, which is recommended in the New Zealand Road Code. It protects the rider from the push of air at the front of the vehicle and the suck of air at the back. It also gives the rider a little space if they need to wobble to get around a hazard on the road. There is a simple way to remember everything that you have experienced today. Riders would like you to know that when you see a bike, imagine it's actually a car and ask yourself, can I safely get past an imaginary car? If the answer is yes, great, go for it. If the answer is no, relax and follow about 4 seconds back. Thank you for taking part today. We hope that the next time you are in the driver's room and a colleague comes in angry with a person on a bike, you can help him see it another way. Or, when you are driving in your vehicle and you see a bike, that you actually imagine a car and use that to judge your overtake. Or maybe if you do need to wait behind the imaginary car for a safe place to pass, that you allow 4 seconds space.